Hey guys, it's Dami, and in today's video we are going to take a look at these AirPod Pro 2s that I got from DHGate. We're going to look at the connectivity, the packaging and the build quality of these AirPods. One thing to mention is how good the packaging is of these AirPods from DHGate. They're the exact same as the originals would actually look like. In the packaging you do have the standard designed by Apple in California paperwork with all the instructions and manuals that actually are the exact same thing, and with that you also have like the USB-C charger, the multiple ear tips you can use to replace or change, and so forth. At the bottom of the AirPod case you can see the USB-C charging. You can also see the speakers and the lanyard inserts by the side of the case. Over to the back you have the design by Apple in California but made in China. When it comes to pairing these, it's as simple and as easy as it would ever be with the real AirPods. You just hold on the pairing button at the back of the AirPod case, wait like a few seconds, and they should be paired to whatever device you are trying to use them with. Once paired, you can check the Bluetooth settings page on your iPhone or whatever device, but especially on iPhone, you can see everything from ANC transparency and every other feature that do come with your AirPods. And favorite part about this is that they do come with warranty or Apple Care on some of them from the vendors down below in the description, which is kind of crazy that they actually have that in there. I did try ANC and transparency, but first off, ANC works like how it's supposed to actually work. You can't hear anything. I think that's because of also the gel tips. Transparency works as well flawlessly, but sadly spatial audio doesn't work as you need a special chip that are only in real AirPods. One thing that a lot of you be asking is, does the stem controls work on the AirPods? And yes, they do. You can turn down the volume or put the volume back up. You can pause and play, go over to the next song or the previous song with stem controls. And when it comes to the sound quality on these, I'm going to give these a solid 8 out of 10 when it comes to like the sound quality and all that cool jazz. With all that being said, all links for these AirPods will be down below in the description. Drop a like as well, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one. And I'm not lying, these are the best AirPods that I've seen in a very, very long time. Goodbye.